Hi, this is Stuart Sheinfeld of the Sheinfeld Group at Easy Street Realty, and I want to welcome you to this beautiful modern gem in the foothills of Henderson. This home boasts 4 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, and a detached casita. This home is 220 Inverbeg. 220 Inverbeg is located in a gated community in the foothills of Henderson. This home was built in 2015. It has 3,222 total square feet, which includes 4 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, a detached casita, 2 bonus rooms, 3 fireplaces, and 4 total balconies. As entering the home, you first walk into your private gated courtyard with gas fireplace and sliding doors that lead into the detached casita and main living room of the house. The private low-maintenance backyard has synthetic grass, desert landscaping, and that hammock that's perfect for sitting outside and reading a book. The oversized second-floor bonus room is great for an entertainment room, game room, or office. This bright and airy room leads to your master bedroom and also guest bedrooms 2 and 3. Guest bedroom number 1 includes an ensuite bathroom with tub shower enclosure, undermount sink, and a spacious walk-in closet. The double doors lead you to this spacious master bedroom with retreat and gas fireplace. This room also includes 2 separate balconies, plenty of light, and those beautiful mountain and city views from the balconies. The lavish master bathroom features 2 separate vanities with undermount sinks, huge corner soaking tub, and an upgraded shower with bench seat. The oversized master closet is big enough to even hold a movie star's wardrobe. The second guest bedroom has its own private balcony, large walk-in closet, and it has its own connecting bathroom with full-size shower and undermount sink. The separate laundry room includes top-of-the-line front-loader washer and dryer, plenty of cabinet space, a folding area, and it's even stubbed for a sink. There is waterproof laminate flooring throughout the entire home, which makes this home perfect for anyone with pets or allergies. I hope you enjoyed this viewing of 220 Inverbeg. If you have any questions about this property or any other property here in the Vegas Valley, please don't hesitate to call Stuart Sheinfeld at the Sheinfeld Group. All my contact information is right there on the bottom of the page. Thank you so much.